Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we have a 2005 S205 Bobcat skid steer loader. Nice sized machine. You know, the tipping load on this one is 4451, and I've got a rated operating capacity of 2050. You know, nice sized machine, ready to lift, and well equipped as well. We've got the vertical lift boom on it. We've got air conditioning. This is a gold package machine. Power Bobcat. Nice clean interior. Heat and air conditioning. Comfort year-round. Auxiliary hydraulics. These are rated at 16.9 gallon per minute standard flow. Nice long wheelbase on this machine, easy to operate. Overall tailgate in nice condition. Kubota power plant. Again, turbocharged diesel, 66 horsepower. Those vertical lift booms, nice reach with them, 118.2 inches to the hinge pins. Let's take a look at the inside of the machine. You know, nice bonuses with the gold package is a keyless entry system and then full digital display. But nice package, keep your machine yours. We'll put a code in here if you need that, one for yourself, one for your workers, just to make sure your machine stays yours. 1325.6 on the hours, low hours. And again, nice operating machine, air conditioning, windshield wiper, great visibility, easy to see out, catch the corner of your tires when you're backing it on the trailer. You know, we're all set up. We can equip this with a 7-pin harness, and you can utilize all your toggle switches to run your snow blower or whatever else you need to run. Give you a quick shot here of the booms. Nice action on them. You can see your power Bobcat there. You know, it's all good. No need to get out. Take care of it right from the cab. AC is ice cold in this machine. Suspension seat. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2005 S205 Bobcat skid steer loader. Loaded gold package, heat, air conditioning, power Bobcat. We got the nice reach with the vertical lift arms. A 51 pound tipping load, so you can really handle a big load with this machine. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, just across the river, just north of Freeway 94, just across from Minneapolis and St. Paul. Again, Jeff's number, 715-781-3940. Thank you.